Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your PLDT account is active and you have the router model and login info. Plug the modem into power and the wall line, then connect the router with an Ethernet cable to the modem. Once done, place the router in a central, elevated spot to maximize coverage. Make sure to keep your account PIN and default Wi-Fi password close for the next step. This first push gets all hardware live, so you can move into configuration with confidence. You now access the router's web interface from a connected device using the IP or PLDT portal. Log in with the admin credentials printed on the sticker. Once inside, change the default username and password to prevent unauthorized access. Next, rename the SSID to something recognizable and set a strong Wi-Fi password of at least 12 characters. Select WPA2 or WPA3 security. Make sure to save settings and reboot the router if prompted, so the new configuration takes effect before connecting your devices. You finish by connecting your phones, laptops, and smart devices to the new SSID and running a speed test to verify performance. Once satisfied, enable guest Wi-Fi for visitors and configure parental controls or device prioritization if required. If something goes wrong, first reboot the modem and router, then inspect physical cable connections. Only perform a factory reset if nothing else restores service. If problems persist after these steps, contact PLDT support with your account details so they can run line diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.